Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing text effect on CapCut PC. Add in your default text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the word unicorn if I can just type that. And I'm also going to change the font as well. Then I'm going to add in a keyframe here. I'm just going to select a color that I want, maybe like this pink one. And then I'm going to go to another frame. I'm going to select another color, and then here again I'm going to change the color, and one more. Actually, I'll add another one after that. Then if you've chosen all of your colors, I suggest just deleting the rest and right clicking and creating compound clip so that you can just copy and paste the animation instead of just doing that again and again. And that's pretty much it really. Now you have this really cool color changing text effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!